How to change Google Play Store password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can change your Google Play Store password. Now, changing your Google Play Store password basically means changing your Google ID password that you are logged in on your Play Store. Now here you can see I've opened up Play Store. What you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see I have multiple accounts. If I tap on the arrow icon beside my username, there you can see I have multiple accounts. Now make sure you are logged into the account that you want to change the password from. If you have multiple accounts on devices, all you have to do is tap on the arrow icon here and then tap on the username that you want to change the password from. Now however, if you don't want to do it here, what you want to do is tap on manage your Google account option here. You can see manage your Google account option right underneath your username and it'll take you directly to your Google account. Here you can see on my Google account. Now what you want to do is head into the options, scroll all the way to the right and head into this security option. You can see right there, click on security, and if you scroll down below here, you'll see the option password. You can see last changed 20 September 2021. Simply tap on it, tap on that password option, and here you'll be able to change your password. You can see all you have to do is first verify your older password, and once you type in your old password and tap on next, you'll be able to type in your new password, and once you do it, your Google Play Store password will be changed. So this way you can change your Google Play Store password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.